Hey, I heard they hired a new guy.
And it's his first day.
I'll try out all the cameras to see what they do. Let's check the animatronics. Did one of them just move? Don't be dumb, that's insane. Look, they're standing all the same, except for one. Could it be Bonnie staring right at me?
Bonnie!
Oops, sorry. What's that sound?
Seems to be screaming.
Everything's seeming slightly strange.
Let's say hi, he seems a bit jumpy.
How do these cameras change? They're heading here just to eat me, like juicy flesh fruit. Or maybe they'll all stuff me inside a Phasma suit. Seal the doors, hit the lights.
Hey, new guy, are you alright?
Stay away, leave me be.
Don't be scared, it's only me.
Maybe we should leave him a note. Oh no, he sounds like he's in trouble. Foxy, are you there? The new guy's trapped inside.
They're breaking down the door.
He sounds so terrified.
Hold on, Fox, he's come to get you.
Is that something in the vent? Why does it smell like blood and mucus?
That's our natural scent.
I need a disguise to hide in, a mask or a head.
Hey, Chico, check the kitchen. I think that camera's dead. Don't blink. Don't breathe. Don't move. Please, Foxy, leave. What's he doing?
Sealing the air vents.
No, guy, don't! You need fresh air!
Wow, I'm feeling kinda loopy. At least I don't feel.
I want to go home. Hi there, I'm Freddy. Wanna come and play? I think you're special in your own way. I'd love to sing a song with you. It's my favorite thing to do. Cause I love you through and through.
Your singing sucks!
Wow, tough crowd.
It's not working! Come on, guys! Everybody sing along! Come play with Freddy, play the night away.
All Freddy's friends